What's the meaning of characteristically? Characteristically. Characteristically.
Characteristically. Characteristically. The term characteristically is an adverb that describes the manner in which something is done or the way in which a particular characteristic is displayed. It is often used to identify a trait or behavior that is typical or unique to a particular person, group, or thing. For example, a brave soldier may characteristically rush into battle without hesitation, or a creative writer may characteristically use vivid imagery to describe their surroundings. In short, characteristically is an adverb that highlights the distinctive qualities of a person or thing.